So here's how you can disable Wi-Fi for certain apps on an iPhone. So let's get started. Let me explain how it all works. If this is your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so when it comes to the cellular data, there is the ability to turn it off on app by app basis. So when you go to the settings, then you can find the cellular, and below you have a list of apps which you can decide whether they can access or cannot access the cellular data internet. But this has nothing to do with Wi-Fi, obviously. So for Wi-Fi selection, we have to do or take a little bit of a different approach. First of all, I would go to the shortcuts application, which should be pre-installed on your device, and set up a new shortcut. It's going to be a very simple one, which will just turn off the Wi-Fi, right? So you can see that you can look up Wi-Fi from the sections. So you can choose set Wi-Fi and turn Wi-Fi on, right? So it just means that when you can turn it off right here. So of course, it means that whenever this shortcut is run, the Wi-Fi will be disabled. And once we have this shortcut, we can move over into the automations and choose a new automation, which is going to be triggered while opening a specific app. So you can scroll through the triggers here and choose an app, decide that when it's opened, and you're going to decide if it's going to run after confirmation, but I would say to run immediately is a better option. Then you can pick the app. Let's say it's going to be the App Store, because I want to make sure that Wi-Fi doesn't work for this app, meaning that when I open up App Store, this automation is going to trigger the Wi-Fi turning off. So when I click on the next, the shortcut I'm going to select is the one we just created before, which turns off the Wi-Fi. So whenever I open up the App Store, Wi-Fi gets turned off, and the only way to access the App Store or the app which I chose is through the cellular data. So this is how you can disable Wi-Fi for certain apps. Obviously, it's not ideal, and we would love a little bit of a better approach, just like on Androids. But for now, this is what we have. If anything changes, I'm going to update you on this. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.